Steve Spector here again with Rafael Knuth at the OpenStack Summit, and we're with Bernard Golden of EnStratius. So, Bernard, can you tell us a little about your company and about yourself a little bit?
Sure. Well, EnStratius is a cloud management software company, so we provide a software product that organizations use when they want to manage clouds, and typically, hybrid clouds, multiple clouds, heterogeneous environments, and they want to have a consistent management framework, give governance around that. So things like, I want to have common access controls across all of these cloud environments. No matter what the individual cloud environments provide, I want to have a consistent one. Typically, something like I want to be able to integrate with my corporate identity management system. We support that. I want to do custom tracking across all those things. I want to support scalability and elasticity across all these environments. So I want a consistent way to do that. And then they would come and use our product because we basically have a mapping into those organizations, provide that functionality at a level that enables us to encapsulate all those different cloud environments.
Now, EnStratius, I know it supports OpenStack, but it supports other clouds, so I can have multiple clouds under that same management tool. Is that correct?
Yeah, a very common scenario for our customers is I'm going to have an on-premise cloud, or we work with very large enterprises, so typically it's several different cloud environments on-premise, plus I'm going to use one or more public cloud environments, very commonly Amazon, maybe a Terramark or a Savvis or something like that. And so when you get up to I'm going to manage 3 or 4 or 5 different kinds of environments, that would be a thing. And one of those is very typically OpenStack.
So now your environment, I know OpenStack has a management tool. I think it's Horizon, I think is the name of the project.
Yeah.
So is yours, would you look at it as a replacement for Horizon? I mean, obviously it's much more than what it does, or does it link into it?
Well, typically we would sit to the side of it because people still need to manage the cloud infrastructure, the orchestration layer. We don't do that. So, for example, we don't, manage. I'm going to add some more nodes to my cloud cluster. We don't manage that. We don't track that. We would then come in at a higher API level and basically use the APIs to go create a virtual machine, and then the management layer, which might be instantiated through Horizon or something like that, would take care of that. So we don't replace Horizon. We are a different sort of functionality. You might think of us as being a layer up from what Horizon does.
Okay. Great. Well, Bernard, thanks again for taking the time, and we appreciate seeing you again here at this event. Thanks.
Well, thanks so much for inviting me.